Pagbilan po.
Ano po?
May ano po kayo, te, sa gamot po sa sakit ng tiyan, te?
Ang English po?
English po? Really? Oh my God, you're so social naman po. Do you have a medicine?
No?
Do you have a medicine for...
Wait lang po, wait lang.
Busy
No?
po.
Yes.
Busy
Thank
po.
you. Bye. Okay, what again po?
Busy po. A medicine po for my tummy. It's so hurt eh.
Tiki po. Tiki drops po.
Tiki-tiki drops, ha? I think that's vitamins po eh. Don't you have... you sure, ma'am? Are you sure you're the...
Sige, biogesic na lang po.
Biogesic na lang po. Let me see. Biogesic.
Hello?
No. Ayo, busy po. Oh my God, don't you have anything else? Because
May biogesic lang kami po eh.
I think Biogesic is for the headache po yan po eh.
Yeah!
Hindi po yan. Sure ka po? Magkano po yan? Ha? Magkano
Si-
po?
2,000 po.
2,000 Biogesic?
Opo.
Ang mahal naman yan po. Para naman po Seems like I'm going to hospital ah. Don't you have any lower brand? Lower medicine po? Cheaper one? Ma'am, don't you have cheaper one?
At po?
Wala po kayong mas mura po na gamot? Cheaper
Wala
one?
na po.
There are so many
Kaso biogesic lang pang tummy.
Biogesic. Biogesic pang tummy.
Ano ba?
Are you sure?
Po.
Oh my God. But, okay. Can I just exchange this? The car keys, so you have a car? It is I don't have,
No! Give me the money. Give me
my
your
God.
money.
I only have 5
We
pesos.
appreciate
only have 5
lower
pesos naman po eh.
price. Here, it's okay. Here. Okay, it's okay. You can have this for $10.
Oh, how about,
Give me $59.
that's so expensive naman po. Ay, vitamins.
$10.
Vitamins na nga lang po.
Sige na lang.
Sige na lang. Where's the vitamins? Oh, where? Oh, no. What are you?
Ito po,
Vitamins?
12 pesos po.
12 pesos? This is the vitamins? What's gonna happen to me if I drink this one? If I take this?
Your tummy will stop hurting.
Stop hurting? Let me see, what is this? What is this?
For tummy.
What's the name of the medicine? You don't even know? Ay, scammer oh.
Clean tummy.
Clindamycin. Oh my God, fine. I will just not buy.